It's May, so that means it's bag maker's box time. So let's see what's inside. Hi, my name's Deb and I make videos on all things bag making. So today's video is on the bag maker's box from Studio 77 and it's the May 2024 box. I literally haven't even had a chance to look at this yet. It came a couple of weeks ago and I've just been so busy with other things. It's the first time that I'm sitting down and probably having a look at it. If you haven't got your box yet or you haven't had a chance to look at it yet, maybe come back to this video at a later date because I wouldn't want to ruin the surprise for you. So this month's box comes wrapped in this beautiful purple tissue. It's an absolute gorgeous colour. I never ever want to chuck any of the packaging or anything out. And thankfully, obviously, with having a bag mate and supply business myself, I can quite often recycle a lot of the parcels that I get, which I often do. So the box isn't a kit. It is a collection of curated bag making supplies that all go together beautifully, from which you can make whatever you want to make from it. It does come with a leaflet, and on the back, just checking that's the right way up, on the back it does say everything that is in the box, and you also get on the inside 3 pattern designers who have given a discount code for patterns that this box would work with. So you can try out different pattern designers that you might not have tried before with the discount codes that are inside the leaflet. So that's the first thing that you get. First thing that I look for is always the tea bag, because I love a cup of tea. And this month is Butter Brew. So a wizardry wonder of creamy caramel delight. That is absolutely up my street. Love tea and I love anything caramel, like especially like salted caramels and that sort of thing. So I'll be having that in a little bit. And the first thing, how beautiful is this? So this is a roll of vinyl. It's really soft. This will be very domestic friendly. You know, if you don't sew with an industrial sewing machine, this will work absolutely beautifully. But it's just got so many different colours to it. You know, as you move it, the colours change. It's gorgeous. So this would go beautifully with rainbow hardware. I think silk hardware would look nice. Gunmetal hardware would look lovely with it. I think it would really set it off. We have zipper tape, which is covered in stars, like sort of rainbow, again, sort of iridescent colours. And the teeth on it, if you can see, is gunmetal. So like I say, I think gunmetal would go perfectly with this. There is 1.5 meters of the zipper tape in the box this month. So that's a good amount of tape. That's, you know, lots of pockets and a big bag if you were making one. And then to match, there's this beautiful webbing, which I think is 1.5 inch. Yeah, 1.5 inch. And there's 2 meters of this, which I think is sort of like the perfect length for, you know, crossbody strap. You don't need any more than 2 meters. So I think that's a perfect length to be in the box. Just give you a little bit more of a close up. It's lovely quality. Got a really nice shine to it as well. It's got quite nice sturdiness to it, but without it being harsh, if that makes sense. Like some webbings can be really harsh and, you know, irritating. This is really soft. So it's a bit like seatbelt webbing. But yeah, that is gorgeous. So as usual, we have 2 stickers. So I'll try and show you them a little bit closer up. So we have Star Stitcher, which has got beautiful glitter background. And then we have Starry Eyed. So star sunglasses with rainbows inside. So they're both really cute. And then the hardware that's inside, you get 2 zipper pulls. Hopefully you can see those. So star zipper pulls, number 5, and they will fit the zipper tape perfectly. So this is really cute. This is like a little star and it's like a gate clip. This little bit here is like a spring-loaded clip. This would be great for wristlets, because the D-ring isn't large, so that would make a perfect size wristlet. As well as being, able to clip it on. It would be great for putting inside of a bag so that you can clip your keys onto it. It's just really unusual, and I love it. I think that's really nice. So the Bag Makers box is a bi-monthly subscription box, so it comes every other month. So the next one will be July, and I will just pop here some pictures of previous boxes that is on Emma's website, just so that you can see sort of the different things that come. So each month it is designed to all go together. So when you start a project and you think, oh well, I don't have a zipper pull that goes with that zipper tape, I don't have a strap that goes with that, it's all there for you. All the details, if you're interested in the Bag Makers box, will be on Emma's website. You can also follow her on social media. I'll put her links in the description box as well. I have a little bit of an inkling of what I'm going to make with this, but I can't actually say because the person who I'd make it for could watch this video. So yeah, I'm not going to give away too much. But again, if you follow me on social media, when I make something from the box, I will post it on my social media as well. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's inside the May 2024 Bag Makers box from Studio 77. Thank you for watching this video and spending a little bit of time with me. And until next time, happy sewing and see you soon. Bye. It is a small ring